I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, and welcome to today's Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Today is Vlogmas day 2. Yes, Vlogmas day 2. So let me tell you what we are going to be doing today. I am going to wait. Before I tell you what I'm going to do. No, calm down, Mimi. Calm down. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to my sister's place because I need to get my bag. Remember Negiluko? I hope I mentioned what Negiluko guy on the other vlog, but I was visiting my mom for like a month, and then after that I went to my brother was launching shop yabona, the new shop. So I went there for like a weekend, and then after that yesterday I had to travel back from Rustenburg to Witbank. So I had like 2 bags. I had a small bag and a big bag. So my other big bag is at my sister's because she had to come with a TMO Witbank while I was going to Rustenburg. So I have to go get it today because it has every single thing. It's really huge, guys. It has my ring light, it has my clothes, my wigs. I took my makeup with because child really, like, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go there, fetch my bag, and also see my nieces. But I saw them like last week, but also I missed them already. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And guess what, I am getting myself a microwave because chat, let me tell you, like, I've been struggling because you're just sitting and then you're like, why do I need a microwave? Like, really, like, do I really need a microwave? There's some things that you just feel like you don't need them. I used to think a microwave to me is equivalent to a dishwasher. That's crazy, but that's what I used to think. I just felt like, no, convincing myself that I don't need one. So now I finally found the one that I really love. I saw it on the internet. I needed a smart inventor type of microwave, because when the thing is with me, when I move out of this place and go to a bigger place, I don't want to sell stuff or give people stuff, if you know what I mean. So I rather buy exactly what I want, knowing very well when I move, I'm gonna move with my furniture, right? So that's what we are going to be doing today, and that's it, guys. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. Green tea. My sister-in-law gave me this cup. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So because this cup is so cute, I thought, let me make green tea on the go. Gupi I have to wear my mask, especially because I will be taking Bolt to go fetch my bag and do everything. So yeah, right now I'm going to, what is it that I'm going to do now? I'm going to tie my hair nicely because it's raining outside. This weather is just a bit moody. It's not a good weather. I don't want to say it's not a good weather because it's not fitting whatever that I'm going to do today, if you know what I mean. But it is raining. 2 minutes it's raining, the next minute is hot, it's sunny. So yeah, I'm gonna put on a jacket and tie my hair and we're good to go.
I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Hello guys. Okay. I am here guys at my sister's and I'm a little bit exhausted. I don't know because over the weekend I was really busy. I think you saw yesterday's video. Vlogmas day one, I was really busy. So I'm so exhausted, but I still have to go to I wanna go to, my bag is really heavy by the way, so yeah. I'm gonna request a ride and after that go drop off my bag and go to new home, because as I mentioned earlier that I want ilokuzan. My eye is so itchy, like it is so itchy. I hope I see the corona at home. I don't know if it's one of the symptoms when your eyes are really itchy. Hello baby.
Hello.
Hi. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Do you want to say hi? You're so cute. Say hi.
Hi.
Minecraft. This is a mask.
A mask.
Yes, you also have your own mask, don't you?
Yeah.
You have such a cute little mask. It's written Lesedi. Ah! It's written Lesedi.
I don't know that.
Huh? You want your mask?
Mhm.
No, you're not going anywhere, so there's no need for you to wear your mask in the house, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So yeah guys, by the way, this is my niece Lesedi. If you're my day one, I think you've seen her before. So yeah. Okay. Auntie is about to leave, okay? I'm gonna see you probably next week, right? Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So let's go play with the dogs for a bit and then I am going back to my place. Let me go play with the kids for 20 minutes and then we bounce because I have a lot of things to do. Right. Whee!
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Guys, I just got back from my sister's and my nieces were actually crying when I left, and I feel so bad. But I spent a lot of time because they also went to see my mom for 2 weeks actually, because I went to see my mom for a month, right? So I have a little bit of a headache, but I don't want to take grandpa's. So yeah, what was I saying? I'm a little bit all over the place because it is about 12:30 to 1 and I'm still here and I'm feeling really hot, but outside it's a bit windy. As in it's not favorable nje moody. I think if I'm not sure if I'm moody or I think it's this headache. But I think I want to take a shower again because as you saw, I was playing with the kids and I was sweating. As in my leggings, they were just like so chilled. And then Mina didn't chicken because in the morning it was really cold. It was raining even, right? So I just thought, let me put on those jackets of mine.
A few moments later.
So let me go shower quickly. I will see you in a bit. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, I feel like this microwave is really big. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do an unboxing or do I need help? No, but I can't. I should actually put it on the floor. I think I should put it on the floor. It's not that heavy. I mean, if I can fix the door, what is unboxing a microwave? Okay, let me do this. Yes, I think you can see me now. This is a job and a half.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to clear my.
Okay, let me bring it up. It's so cute. Okay, can you see now? Guys, it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, and it's so big as well. I'm so excited. Okay, I wanted to take out this.
I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So I'm probably gonna warm up water because I don't have anything in the fridge because I was not here. So let's pour water and see if it's going to do the things, guys. I want to see if the water is going to be hot. But I'm really proud of myself. I'm glad I did this. It's so beautiful. It's all right, my Chloe. And the water is hot. Very powerful. I'm happy with that. So guys, I'm really excited. I'm really happy. I'm so proud of myself. Like, child, like really. This year, this is actually the first thing that I bought for the house this year. Last year, I was very busy buying furniture, but I couldn't really, I don't know, I was not vlogging last year as much as I am this year, and I was not that comfortable in, like, you know, bringing you guys into my space, you know, just like I'm doing right now. So I'm so happy that I got to do this, and then you got to see it. You got to go to new home with me, and yeah, so I'm really happy. What is it that I wanted to tell you? I wanted to tell you that please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Grwm, and do not forget to turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever my girl uploads another video. All right. Yeah guys, my skin is booming. My skin is booming. Okay, but anyway, yeah guys, thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Do not forget to watch those ads, okay? Yeah, I'm so happy guys. So there's nothing that I'm going to be doing right now except edit this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Okay, this Vlogmas is going to be lit, guys. Like, I have holidays planned. I have like a whole lot of things going on, so fingers crossed that I get my passport tomorrow. So yeah guys, bye guys.